Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video of Father and Son Sports Cards. Today we have a eBay box that has over 2,000 cards assorted in various vintage baseball card packs. So just to kind of give you an idea of what we're working with, we are going full vintage in today's video. So we've got a whole lot of different years, different brands. So let's go ahead and start ripping into them and see if we can find anything. First, I want to start off by thanking everybody for watching the Derek Jeter Call of the Captain video from last week. It was a big hit. It was by far my most viewed video to date, over 500 views. Just a reminder, if you are enjoying the content on this channel, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe. It really helps the channel. It's free. Doesn't cost you anything, but it really helps me out. All right, I'm gonna just start grabbing out the box. Let's open her up. So first one is 1992 Topps Stadium Club Series 3. 15 super premium cards. Let's see how premium they are. Club membership. All right. Bill Pacoda. Tom Browning. Von Hayes. Scott Kimiecki. Oh, got something stuck here. Bob Kipper. John Briscoe. Kirk McCaskill. Oh, this is a nice one. This is a hit. Ken Griffey Jr. Members Choice. This is considered the best of that series. Wow, that's a great start. Kevin Mitchell. Esteban Beltre. Roger McDowell, former pitching coach of the Braves. We got another one behind it. Mike Gallego. Tom Candiotti. Danny Gladden. And to finish it off, Danny Tartabull. All right, that's a great start, Ken Griffey Jr. Let's go ahead and sleeve that one up. Don Russ, Series 2. Three puzzle pieces and 15 cards. That Willie Stargell puzzle piece off to a good start. All right, let's see what we got here. Greg Myers, Alfredo Griffin, Alvin Davis, Ron Hasse, rated rookie Paul Merrick, Braves, John Cerruti, Ernest Riles, Monty Ferris, Benito Santiago, Lance Parrish, MVP, Andy Hawkins, no-hitter, Matt Young, Vince Coleman, Dave LaPointe, and Neil Heaton. All right, hot garbage there. All right. We have 1987 Topps Major League Baseball. Oh, we got bubblegum in here. Oh, yeah, 1987 bubblegum. Ew. It's a classic. I'm not eating that. Woo! Oh, yeah, that's a good stick. I like these 1987 designs. You still see it. They bring them back in packs now for their anniversaries. Tito Landrum, Glenn Wilson, Rob Murphy, Barry Larkin, Jim Aker, Reggie Jackson. It's a nice one. Ricky Horton, Ron Karkovis, Howard Johnson, Darren Dalton, Fred Tolliver, John Henry Johnson, nice afro, Tony Armas, Checklist, Butch Winnegar, Joe Carter, and Buddy Bell. 1991 Topps. Ooh, another stick of gum on the back of Don Mattingly. All right, let's see what we get. Terry Steinbeck, Jose Jesus, Kevin Gross, Mike Gallego, Mike Jeffcoat, Roberto Alomar, Don Mattingly. Let's see if this is his error card. It is not. It is not his error card. So as you can see, they have 101 hits. His error card has 10 hits. Jim Leyland, Jeff Russell, Jay Buhner, future star Rich Garces, Mike Sims, Dave Martinez, Mike Marshall, Burt Blyleven. All right, let's go 80s again. 1988 Topps. It's a good year. I was born. Don't forget the gum. It's pretty clean for being 1988. I would have expected some fungus growing on it. All right. Mark McLemore, Steve Henderson, Tim Leary, Dwight Gooden, Doyle Alexander, Roger McDowell, Jose Rio, Junior Noboa, Kevin McReynolds, Ron Karkovis, Tom Brookins, Steve Bedrosian, Rick Aguilera, Jeff Hamilton, Jimmy Williams. 1989 Topps Baseball. And there's the gum. Jim Gott, Frank Viola, All-Star, Brian Fisher, Alan Anderson, Cecilio Guante, Ricky Jordan, Mark Kubica, Gary Templeton, Jose De Leon, Dave Dravecki, Atlee Hamaker, Keith Hernandez, Pete Smith, Tim Burke, and the Wizard, Ozzie Smith. Donruss Baseball. Sid Bream, Chris James, Ron Oster, Mike Maddox, Greg Maddox's brother, also well-known pitching coach, Craig Biggio, not his rookie, Terry Pendleton, Ivan Calderon, Dick Schofield, Jeff Russell, Greg Vaughn, rookie, Tim Burke, Dave Parker, Danny Tartable, Mike Scioscia, Dave Righetti, and Rick Cerrone. All right, 1989 baseball. Bowman. There's the gum, a little broken. Edgar Martinez, Jerome Walton, Pat Combs, Bruce Hurst, David Stewart, Brian Meyer, Rich Ashburn, Terry Steinbeck, Jim Browning, Matt Noakes, Ozzie Guillen, Larry Anderson, Jim Presley. 1990 Bowman. More gum. Tom Candiotti, Larry Walker, rookie card, Jerry Goff, Hal Morris, Rob Deere, Rick Cerrone, Kyle Abbott, Doug Jones, Ricky Jordan, George Canal, Brooke Jacoby, Larry Anderson, Dave Otto, George Brett. Let's see what we have here. We have 1993 Upper Deck. Derek Lilliquist, Ken Turbeck, Derek again, Frank Viola, Derek Bell, Kenny Rogers, Robin Ventura, Dennis Cook, Scott Lanes, Joe Bover, Pedro Estacio, Bill Gullickson, Denny Nagel, and the big unit, Randy Johnson. All right, 1991 Studio. All right. Charlie Hayes, Ken Daly, Hall of Famer Eddie Murray, Joe McGrain, Dennis Eckersley, Bert Blyleven, Paul Molitor, Ricky Jordan, Kelly Gruber, Moises Alou, and a puzzle. 1993 Fleer Ultra Series. Arthur Rhodes, Pat Gomez, Scott Sanders, rookie, Derek Bell, checklist, Pat Henkin, John Smiley, Jeremy Burnitz, rookie, Phil Hyatt, rookie, Dave Winfield, Rich Renteria, rookie, Kevin Gross, and Bill Hasselman. Conlon collection from the Sporting News. All right. Walter Johnson, Hall of Famer. Barney Friberg, Ray Kremer, Earl Webb, Lefty Stewart, Mel Ott, Walter Hulk, Marty McManus, Chief Myers, Red Ames, Harry Hooper, Art Fletcher, Fritz Ostermuller, Schema Lilo, Heine Manouche, Connie Mack, Ernie Lombardi, Paul Wayner. All right. 1994, Topps Series 1. All right, Braves, shortstop, Rafael Belliard. Mark Grace. Jeff Branson. Will Clark. All stuck together, guys. Can we get one that's not damaged? Will Clark. Benny Santiago. Man, he's getting trashed. trashed. Greg Swindell. Renee Orocha. Oh, there's one behind it. Bill Ashley. Bob Ojeda. Steve Dixon. Man. Must have been sitting in a hot box. Danny Maselli. And Mike Maddox. Glad we didn't have any gems in there because they all got trashed. 1991 Major League Baseball. Score, Series 1. Candy Maldonado. Willie Fraser. Chuck Krim. Greg Harris. Pete Coachman. Tim Nehring. Steve Howard. Mickey Morandini. Kurt Stillwell. Randy Johnson. Dan Plesak. Mickey Tettleton. World Series Trivia. Matt Young. Jeff Robinson. Felix Furman. Lloyd Mosby. 1991 Score Series 2. Dante Bichette. BJ Suroff. Bill Wegman. Dream Team, Ken Griffey Jr. Hensley Mullins. Ozzie Smith. Glenn Davis. Luis Quinones. Doug Drabeck. Ron Walden. Dan Wilson. No Hit Club, Mark Langston, Mike Witt. Trivia. John Klink. Wes Gardner. Carmelo Castillo. And Dennis Lamp. 1992 Upper Deck. Astros star rookie Brian Williams. Checklist. Detroit Tigers. Todd Hundley. Ed Sprague. Joel Skinner. Leo Gomez. Dimitri Young, top prospect. Darryl Kyle. Luis Gonzalez. Julio Machado. Bob Malecki. Bernie Williams, Gary Thurman, Andy Moda. 1992 Leaf, Billy Ripken, Greg Myers, Willie Randolph, Tom Browning, Cal Ripken, Kevin Bass, Shane Mack, Carlos Baerga, Mark Guthrie, Dave Stewart, Joel Skinner, Glenn Allen Hill, Kevin Bass again, Shane Mack, Mel Hall. 1990 Upper Deck. Mike Greenwell, Candy Maldonado, something stuck on the back, Angels hologram, Roy Smith, Fred Lynn, Andy Beans, Luis Salazar, Jeff Musselman, Guillermo Hernandez, Junior Ortiz, Junior Felix, Paul Gibson, Jeff Husson, Randy McCammett, Stu Bushill, Tim Laudner. 1990 score. Gary Reedus, Brian Downing, Jim Presley, Fred McGriff, future Hall of Famer Fred McGriff, Tom Candiotti, the MVP, Jose Canseco, Greg Gore, Ernest Riles, Junior Ortiz, Jose Alvarez, Gary Gaetti, Ken Oberfeld, Cecilio Guante, Bobby Thigpen, rookie Bobby Rose, Mickey Weston rookie, and Mike Blowers rookie.